Good day everyone, I'm Plaza Maria Virginia from BSSW18 and our topic for today is Microsoft Publisher, the icons and old version to new version of Microsoft Publisher, and we have 9 version from 1991 to up to present. The first version was in 1991. Microsoft Publisher was released in 1991 as a desktop publishing application for Windows. During this time, it was known as Microsoft Publisher from Windows. The early version of Publisher focused on providing users with tools to create professional-looking documents such as newsletters, brochure, and flyers. So, sa version na ito, ay nakatuon ang pagbibigay ng use ng tool upang lumikha ng documents para maging mas professional siya. Ginamit yung Microsoft noong 1991 para makagawa ng brochure, flyers. Yun yung goal niya. Na ano siya ng 1993 dahil na-update siya ng new version. So, let's go to the second version, the Publisher 2.0 in 1993 to 1995. Microsoft released Publisher 2.0 which introduced several new features and improvements. This version include enhanced typography option, better graphics, support for color printing, and include various templates and clip art for user to customize their design. Sa version na ito, mas pinahusay ang option ng typography, better graphics, pagle-layout. Sa version ding ito, nakilala ang pagpiprint ng mga colored. Kasama rin dito ang mga templates, clip arts, and customized na design. And the next version was in 1995 to 1999, and it's called Publisher 7.0. Microsoft Publisher 95. In 1995, Microsoft released Microsoft Publisher 95, also known as Publisher 7.0. This version brought significant improvements and new features to the software, making it even more powerful and user-friendly. So, yung Microsoft Publisher 95 ay mas lumawak pa yung tools niya, yung pag-edit, tsaka parang mas madali siya. Mas madali siyang magamit. Also expanded the capabilities of the software, offering user more design option, better compatibility, and enhanced editing tools for creating professional-looking publication. Sa version na ito ay nagdala ng mas makabuluhang pagpapabuti ng mga bagong features sa software. Mas malakas at mas madaling gamitin, mas pinalawak at mas pinahusay yung version na to. One of the notable enhancements in Publisher 1995 was the introduction of the design gallery. And the next version is the Microsoft Publisher in 1999 to 2003. During this period, Microsoft Publisher continued to evolve, offering users more advanced design features, improved integration with other Office applications, and enhanced usability for creating professional publication. So, sa version na ito, mas naging advanced ang pag-feature ng design dahil sinamahan ito ng iba pang mga application. So, bukod sa Microsoft Publisher, parang meron pa siyang inilagay na application pa para mas ma-edit ng at upang makalikha ng mga professional na publication. Kasi yun naman yung goal ni Microsoft na publisher, yung makakreate ng mas professional na edit ng templates, ng mga documents. Ganon siya. And the next Microsoft Publisher version is version 2003 to 2007. Throughout this period, Microsoft Publisher continued to evolve, offering users more advanced design tools, improve integration with other Office applications, and enhance functionality for both print and digital publication. Sa panahon ito, patuloy na umunlad ang pag-advance ng tools sa pagdidisenyo at pinahusay din dito ang mga application ng mga Office documents. That functionality para sa pagpaprint ng digital na publication. Microsoft Office Publisher 2007 with digital imaging version. Yan yung take note niya sa version ng 2007 ay isa siyang digital imaging version. While the version of Microsoft Publisher in 2007 to 2010 was this period, Microsoft Publisher continued to evolve, offering users more advanced design tools, improve integration with other Office applications, and enhance functionality to both print and digital publication. This version aimed to make it easier for users to create professional-looking documents while providing them with a range of design options and structures. Sa version na ito, tulad ng ibang pag-update ng mga version, ay mas nadagdagan yung pag-update niya sa mas pinaprofessional yung sa version na to. Tapos mas pinalawak niya pa yung pag-e-edit, yung parang 'di ba kadalasan yan every year kasi sa pag-update kasi niya lalo siyang mas nagiging useful, mas nagiging madali. So sabi dito, mas pinadali yung paggamit sa Microsoft Publisher in 2007 to 2010. And the next version is Microsoft Publisher 2010 to 2013. Throughout this period, Microsoft Publisher continued to evolve, offering users more advanced design, improved integration with other Office applications, and enhanced functionality for both print and digital publication. This version aimed to make easier and visually appealing documents while providing them range, more design option and customization features. So, parang yung version ng 2007 to 2010 was in-upgrade lang siya, mas visually appealing documents. So, konti lang yung diferensya niya, konti lang yung in-upgrade niya, pero mas inano pa rin siya na new version dahil may nabago dun sa unang version in 2007 to 2010. While the Microsoft Publisher 2013 to 2016, this version continued to build upon features introduced in Publisher 2013 and added new functionality to enhance the design capability of the software and introduced new templates, improved image editing tools, and expanded typography option. Publisher 2016 also include features like the ability to insert online features and the option to save publication to the cloud for easy access and collaboration. So, in 2013 to 2016 version ng Microsoft Publisher, dito na pumasok yung collaboration. So, parang pwede ka makipagtulungan sa gamit nito. Kasi sa mga old version niya, hindi ka pwedeng gumalaw dun sa isang docs na. Halimbawa, gagawa ko ng docs. Tapos, pwede ko siyang i-share sa iba. So, kaya nilang i-edit yung ginawa kong docs. So, yung information na nakalagay doon, pwede pa nilang mas dagdagan. Yun yung tulong ng pag-update or new version ng Microsoft Publisher in 2013-2016. And the last version is Microsoft Publisher na 2016 to 2019 up to present, the Microsoft Publisher 365. Overall, Microsoft Publisher 365 provides user with a comprehensive set of tools for creating professional publication. It offers advanced design options, seamless integration with other Microsoft 365 apps, collaboration features, and the convenience of cloud storage. So, ang Microsoft Publisher 365 overall na nakakapag-provide siya ng advanced tools. So, parang all-in na siya. Yung isang application na yun, nandoon na lahat. Pwede kayong mag-collab, pwede kayong mag-edit ng mga pictures, maglagay kayo, kahit ilan kayo, pwedeng. Tas yung storage niya, medyo mas pinahaba pa siya. So, dito talaga, ito yung ginagamit from 2016 to up to present, at hindi pa siya nadadagdagan ng bagong version kasi sa tingin nila na ito na yung pinaka all-in na version. So, kasi nandoon na lahat. Meron na siyang collab, meron na siyang set of tools na makapag-edit. Meron na rin siyang basta yung Microsoft Publisher 365 is the latest and the all-in application ni Microsoft Publisher. And that's all my topic. And I hope na may natutunan kayo at may naintindihan kayo. And thank you.